Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about PFIZER, which has firm fundamentals, but where is the stock headed and should you buy for long term or not? So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about PFIZER, here's a small request to kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, you can ask me queries on a daily basis. And if you can pay $100 upfront, then you're able to get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. So that's a 25% discount. For detailed market or company talk, kindly contact me directly on email if you have a number of stocks, etc., and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company, present in India since 1949, and it was established in New York, but present in India since the 1949-50 season, and they provide pharmaceutical services, one of the largest in the world in this segment, and one of the renowned brands. Pfizer has been in pharmaceutical healthcare and bringing in, you can say, medicines for you can say ailing patients with high risk diseases, etc. Provides an array of products for illnesses in cardiovascular, brain cancer, lungs, and many other forms. So expensive medicines, and where margins are huge, that's what they provide, spread across 100 countries, not only here in India. The market cap of the company has swelled a bit from 24,000 crores and is now around about 28-30,000 crores. One of the rare MNC pharma company that is listed along with probably Sanofi and one or two others. Very few, you can say, MNC pharma companies that is listed here in India, which certainly has greater pedigree. So if one is looking to buy into safer pharmaceutical stocks which have less volatility, then this is one of the stocks that one should look forward to. Coming to the financials, and these are Q3 numbers. So when I made the presentation about 3 weeks back, there was only Q3 numbers that were present. So I made it through the Q3 numbers. The sales went up by around 10%, profit went up by only 1%. It is a debt-free company. See, the way it has gone. The way it has gone over the years, that profits jumped a lot between 2011 to 2015 period, and even before that. So it has come into a situation where it has become a cash cow, if you say in industry terms, and now the profits are on a higher base, is going up in this manner. So but the high promoter and institution holding instill a lot of confidence, and 13% free float is there, and whatever free float is there is also with high net worth individual investors who are large into this company. Return on equity of 20%, operating profit margin is also strong at 20%. These are high, you can say, double digit margins when you consider pharmaceutical companies. This is not a consumer company, and hence you need to regard it as a pharma company, and for that the margins are pretty decent. Coming to the performance, so stock has been in up move for the last 5 years. It is not being for 6 months, 1 year, and yes, there is fall always. It has been up 40% in 1 year this year, and it has been up something like 20% in the last 1 month. So even being up 40% in the last 1 year, it surged around 15-20% in the last 1 month, 1.5 months. And what that tells me is that it is a consistent performance, consistent gainer. So even in the decline of 2020, it fell by around 15%, no more than that from the top. So around 15-17% maximum it fell, and has surged past those levels pretty effortlessly, and currently around 5,000, 5,500. A reasonably praised market cap has swelled to around 28,000 crores or so, from a single digit, you can say, 1,000 crores market cap. So it has gone up a lot over the last 5 years. It is trading at around 39 times earnings, which is expensive but not extremely expensive, reasonably valued, because you need to consider that the company is an MNC firm. So yes, there could be a 5-7% decline. That is not ruled out, and that is with any stock that you buy into, that you can have a 7 to 10% fall. But over a period of time, I believe that the stock will end up performing extremely well, and you will get the rewards if you buy it for 5 to 7 year time frame. Then you'll see the difference between this stock and other companies in the sector, that it will perform much better, because in 1 or 2 years it just doubles and then settles down at those levels for about a couple of years. That's how the trajectory has been from a 4 year point of view on Pfizer. If you look at the technicals of the stock, then strong long-term support lies around 4800 levels, and before that, it looked like about 3-4 weeks back that the support lies around 4400. Then it surged by around 20-25%, probably after Q4 numbers. That could be the reason, but so the point is, there are multiple supports below 5000 rupees. The stock is around 5500, 5600. What you need to do is buy some at these prices, and then probably wait for certain declines towards 5100, 5000 to accumulate more. There are strong supports at 4800 and 4600 levels, so you need not be worried about a major fall in the stock, other unless there is a major crash in the market of around 20-25% on the Nifty. Then the stock may fall. Otherwise, I don't see a huge or a major decline in the stock. Now it is showing a surge, in fact. So if the market stays stable, we are looking at 6000 on the stock in the next couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, and then probably 6000, 6200 is there, where it will settle probably between 5700 to 6200 level. So there is still a 10% up move that is left, but do not buy on a surge. What you do is, whenever it consolidates for a month or it falls 10% or so from the top, that is where you start accumulating. And even on declines towards 4800, 4900, it can be accumulated. There is a huge support between 4400 to 4550 as well on the lower end. So any declines is a buying opportunity. It really falls big, and that is also a positive. So if somebody who wants stable returns over a period of time, a Nestle type of stock you need, then HUL type of stock you need, then this is one pharma company that you can probably put into your portfolio, which is Pfizer. So no wild moves and has no low volume, so you need to take that into account, that it is very difficult to trade. Although I have given you the levels, extremely difficult to trade. You need to have a lot of patience in order to trade into such stocks. So probably investment is a better you can say strategy to go about in this company, and you can invest for 5, 7, 8 years, and then you will see the magic of how the returns compound over that 7, 8 year period. So what needs to be done? Can buy for the long term at these levels, and hold and keep track of global events. So this is more a global company. If global events are better, things open up globally, there will be more need for medicines, etc. So have a 5 year view at least, and you'll see the difference. It will give you decent returns, and do not have more than 10% holding into such stocks. So this was my video on Pfizer. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my video straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.